This video will cover moderate level questions regarding the topic of factoring, basic trinomials, and difference of squares. First question is this. The greatest common factor is 4. So factor out 4. And a squared plus 12a divided by 4 is 3a. Minus 160 divided by 4 is 40. Then find the two numbers that have a sum of 3 and a product of minus 40. 40 is 8 times 5. Which one is minus? 8 times minus 5. Then make 3. So the final answer is 4. Then a plus 8 and a minus 5. That is the factored form. This is number 2. The greatest common factor is minus 2x squared. So take out minus 2x squared. And then minus 2x to the power of 4 divided by minus 2x squared equal x squared. And then minus 4x cubed divided by minus 2x squared. This is 2 and x. So it's plus 2x. And then 16x squared divided by minus 2x squared. Cancel out. Then only left is minus 8. Then find the two numbers that have a sum of 2 and product is minus 8. The two numbers are 4 and minus 2. So minus 2x squared. Then x plus 4 and x minus 2. That is the answer. In the next question, think of 20y squared as a constant term. So x squared minus 9x plus 20, like this. So two numbers that have a sum of minus 9 and the product of 20. So they are minus 4 and minus 5. So the factored form is x minus 4 and x minus 5 using this one. And then the answer is x minus 4y and x minus 5y. This is number 4. The greatest common factor is a plus b. So factor out a plus b. Then inside the bracket is x squared minus 13x. Then plus 36. And then think about two numbers that have a sum of minus 13 and then a product of 36. What are the two numbers? It's minus 4 and minus 9. So this is a plus b, then x minus 4 and x minus 9. This is factored form. This is number 5. Find the two numbers that have a sum of b and the product of 8. A can be rewritten as 1 times 8 or minus 1 times minus 8 and 2 times 4 or minus 2 times minus 4. So if 1 times 8, then b equals 9 because add them together. And this one, b equals minus 9. And this one, 2 plus 4 is 6. Finally, minus 6. So b can be 9 minus 9 6 minus 6. That is the answer. The same question, B. Find the two numbers that have a sum of B and the product of minus 10. So minus 10 can be rewritten as 1 times minus 10 and minus 1 times 10 and 2 times minus 5 and minus 2 times 5. Then this one, P equals minus 9. For this one, add them together, make 9. In this case, add them together, minus 3. And the last one equals 3. So P can be minus 9, 9, minus 3, and 3. That is the answer. This is the next question. Find 4 values of C such that each trinomial can be factored over the integers. Number A. Find the two integers with a sum of 5 and a product of C. Since many pairs of integers have a sum of 5, answers may vary. If two numbers that make up 5, like 2 and 3, then the product is 6. If 1 plus 4 make 5, then C equal 4, because C is a product of two numbers. If minus 1 and 6, then C will be minus 6. If minus 2 and 7, then product of two numbers, minus 14. So C can be 6, 4, minus 6, and minus 14. Number B, x squared minus 3x plus C. Find the two integers with a sum of minus 3 and the product of C. Since many pairs of integers have a sum of minus 3, answers may vary. If the two numbers that make up minus 3 are minus 1 and minus 2, then the product will be 2. If 0 and minus 3, then the product will be 0. If 1 and minus 4, then the product will be minus 4. If 2 and minus 5, then the product will be minus 10. So C can be 2, 0, minus 4, and minus 10. The next question is factor. This one is the difference of squares. So make a squared minus b squared form. So first one is x squared. The second one is 1 or 1 squared, doesn't matter. So a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, then a minus b, like this. But we are not done yet, because x squared minus 1 is also the difference of squares. So first one is the same, and second one is x squared minus 1 squared, like this. So x squared plus 1, then this one is again x plus 1 and x minus 1. Usually factor means factor fully or factor completely, so this is the final answer. This is the last question. The greatest common factor is 3, so take out 3 first, and then 12 divided by 3 means 4a squared minus 75 divided by 3 is 25, so 25b squared. Then inside the bracket is the difference of squares, so 3 times a squared minus b squared form again, and then first one is 2a, then squared, And the second one is 5b. So a squared minus b squared means a plus b, which is 2a plus 5b, then a minus b, 2a minus 5b. This is the final answer. I hope this video has been helpful. The previous lesson is also linked in the description bar below. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.